Welcome to the project demonstration of military robots. So in this project we have the multiple features of like sensors along with the face mask detection. So here we are using PI camera to detect the face mask of a terrorist. So if the person has a mask, then automatically it will detect that and it will indicating that particular mask detection through the buzzer. So it will be used as detonation for a bomb or some other things we can use as output to that. And here the PI camera interfaces to the Raspberry Pi 3 with a 16 GB memory card which has a 1 GB of RAM inside, and this camera can be rotated using this DC motor, so that can be controlled from the Wi-Fi app. So we'll demonstrate that. And there is a metal sensor and a gas and SR04 obstacle detection purpose. Whenever the obstacle detects while the moving, it will stops and it will take the alternate direction for a duration of 2 seconds. And there we are using the two buzzers. One is for the mask detection. When the mask is not detected, when the mask is detected, then it will give the buzzer alerts. And this buzzer is for sensors like metal and a gas. And a servo motor we are using as a gun activation purpose, and a GPS to get the location of the bomb and gas leakage. So here the features are like whenever the metal and the gas detected, so we are going to send the location along with the sensor intimation to the Gmail. So it is in the message email alerts along with Firebase database also. We are going to maintaining the real-time database in Firebase database, and so that consists of location along with the indication of the sensors. So here the DC motors, one DC motor for camera rotation interfaced to the Raspberry Pi through the one L293D motor driver. So here we are using the L293D motor driver. And next is to control the robot direction, we interface the one more L293D motor driver. So this one is for the motor direction controlling system, as well as in 4 directions we can control the robots. And LCD display can monitor the total sensors and GPS values on the LCD. So coming to the interfacing connections, interface directly. So we have interface the GPS at 14 and 15, and a gas sensor at 8 pin, and metal 25, DC motor 3 and 4 for camera rotation, and a DC motor for the robot direction 5, 6, 13 and 19, and LCD H. So here we interface the LCD. So the connections are 10, 9, 11, 22, 27, 7. Buzzer is second pin, and buzzer for camera is for 21st pin, and a servo motor interfaced at 18th pin, and SR04 23 and 24 trigger and echo pins respectively. So here we are using the 30 RPM DC motors which can operate at 9 to 12 volts. So we need to connect the two batteries. One is for the camera motor rotation, and another is for the robo movements. So before switching on this kit, we need to do some initial steps in our phone. So we need to enable the hotspots. So enable the hotspot with the name of project 4432, all are small letters, no space, and password 129, and then on the data and on the hotspots. And then these are the port numbers we need to remember. Camera for 5000 port number, and for robot controlling 5050. So and log into the Firebase also. So these are the settings. We are setting the hotspot name, and then switch on the hotspots, and also the password is as we mentioned. And after switching on this cage, before switching on, we need to connect the battery. So after connecting the two batteries over here, and then connect the power bank to the main motherboard. So it's a rechargeable power bank. We can recharge from this slot using the micro USB connections. So after switching on that, so there will be continuous buzzer indication. So it start booting. So once the booting was successfully done, then automatically so the buzzer will be on and off 2 times, and the servo motor will rotate initial for showing purpose. As we can see, the one device got connected now. So now get the IP address of the device, Raspberry Pi, right? The buzzer got initialized, and welcome message will be displayed on the LCD, and searching for the satellite. So if the kit was demonstrated under the sky view, then we will get the locations. So you can note down, we need to note down this, right? So 192.168.43.145 is a IP address of the Raspberry Pi. and then open that in a Google Chrome. And now open this, as I said, 5000 port number, 192.168.43.145:5000 is the port number for a camera live streaming. So as we can see that, so we are getting live streaming. So it will take 2 to 3 seconds. Why? Because we are scanning the face. So it will take around 1.5 second duration live streaming here. And next is robot controlling, because we made this by using the split screen option. So above screen for the live streaming and below screen for the 5000. So this is a robot controlling purpose. So just forward, backward. So as we are controlling, so for right operation, pause, stop. As left operation, stop. Okay, so this is for gun. So just when you touching this, so the gun will be triggered. So using the servo motors. So and these two are for the camera rotation purpose. So as we can see this, the camera is rotating. So other direction. Okay, so using this we can control the robot in 4 directions. As well as for the mask detection, we'll show you the demonstration. So whenever the person detect the mask, then it will give the buzzer alert. So whenever the person, stop. Start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whenever the person doesn't have any mask, right? So we need to place the mask on it. So when the mask detected, then it will give the buzzer alert. Pause. Right.
Start chasing, sir.
Okay, start is on. So like as I have wore the mask, so the streaming as well as the beeping is continuously coming in this manner. Okay, so this is for the mask detection. So in this continuous beeping is coming. Right, pause. So now we'll check the output of sensors data along with mail alerts and Firebase database. So now just open the Firebase database website and go to your Gmail and then get started. So before executing the sensors data inputs, and once we get into this, go to the military robots, and there we'll get the 2 live data as well as now go to options, and now here real-time database, and then so we'll get the live data along with database of previous totally. So the live data consists of 0, 0 and all, and real-time database, total database consists of the previous data. So now we'll check that when the metal is detected, so the light will be indicated on the metal sensor as well as the visual alerts and the audible alerts, and here the data will be uploaded. So as we have already on the data and then right, so we got the live data. You can see the indication here also. Right, now you can see that it's continuously the orange nothing but it's uploading the data. So as we are demonstrating inside room, so now we are getting latitude longitude 0. If we demonstrate the under sky view, then we'll get the satellite signals, and they'll get the things real time, and we'll get the SMS alerts also. Right, so the metal detected, same thing, the location also, and if we place the gas, the light indicated, right, gas alerts. Okay, and as well as same real-time database also alerted gas alerts. Okay, so in this way we can send the data to the mails as well as real-time database. Thank you.